Staff and students at Covington Middle School will begin virtual learning on Monday as the Allegheny Highlands Public School System continues to investigate the release of carbon monoxide gas from a cafeteria oven. WFXR's Michael Doty talked with local health experts on what can be done at home if parents believe their children were exposed.
Covington Middle School has been closed all week after last Friday's precautionary evacuation. An investigation later determined the school had a carbon monoxide leak. The Virginia Department of Health says a number of people went to the local hospital's emergency department, and tests showed many had a mild exposure to carbon monoxide, which is a toxic, odorless, colorless gas which is created by the burning of carbon fuels at extreme levels. It can prove fatal. According to VDH, symptoms vary from individual to individual, but usually involve headaches and fatigue. Thankfully, carbon monoxide only stays in the bloodstream for a few hours, so anyone who was treated initially should not be concerned.
There is no need to get tested again. There is no need for treatment. The levels that we're seeing do not need any medical intervention.
Cynthia Morrow says anyone who sought medical attention for carbon monoxide after last weekend means they were exposed elsewhere and is not related to the issue at the middle school. She said people need to reevaluate their own living situations and narrow down a source, which could be a wood stove, an idle car, or even a cigarette or vape pen. Morrow says the best way to cure carbon monoxide exposure is to get away from the source, which includes spending some time in the fresh air. In the meantime, the school system has removed the natural gas oven it believes was responsible for the leak, and it says students will have virtual classes until it believes it is safe for students to return to school. Michael Doty, WFXR News.